Let's go!
Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to my first ever dance class in about a year, 2 years. I used to be president of a dance society in university, but I haven't danced since then, and now I'm stiff like a grandma. I was trying to do stretches in the morning to like make me feel like I could do it. So we shall see. I hope it comes back to me. But my friend is holding a workshop with the squad that he's in, and it's called Faruk squad. But obviously for copyright reasons, I can't put the dance in the video. So if you want to check out the full video, check it out in the link description below. And I'm really nervous because I can dance, but I'm not like amazing. So, and I always struggle to pick up choreography and things like that. So I always get really nervous. And I have had bad experiences of dancing not within uni. So I'm really nervous. But yeah, I'm excited, but I'm also really nervous. But I think it'll be fine. My friend is going with me as well. So moral support, I guess. But it should be good. So yeah.
Eye contact. Here's some romance.
Request for Aimée to go forward. Woo! Let's go!
Now classes are done, we're off to dinner in Chinatown.
Oh my god. I think the flashing light as well.
It's all too much to believe that. It's a bitch you're paying.
We went to park in Chinatown and we saw how much it was, like look at how much this was. And then we turned around to reverse and the gate had already shut on us. So we were trapped to pay £17 an hour.
Yeah, I would be technically.
That's chicken and ginger and spring onion. There was a chicken dumplings and a egg fried rice. I'm starting to think I should have ordered more. I will find it. My phone is dead right now. Just one fork by fork.
Yes, please.
Oh my goodness, it was amazing. I underestimated myself, I underestimated the environment, and I had a flipping good time. So I guess this is just like, as I said earlier, I was really nervous about being bad, not being able to pick up the choreo, what people would think, and that was just all in here, and it was very unnecessary. So I guess this is just a lesson for myself and for everyone. If something scares you, just do it. Because there's nothing to lose. At the end of the day, and those things might happen, but majority of the time they are in your head and they just won't happen. And then if you never go to do something because you're always scared, you'll never grow, you'll never get anywhere, you'll just stay scared, stay in your comfort zone. And that's not good after a while. You need to grow and expand and do your thing. So whatever makes you passionate or you'll want to try something, just do it, because I'm sure it'll work out in the end. Just do it. Sponsored by Nike. It was really fun. And honestly, just do you, stay true to yourself and do whatever makes you happy without caring what anybody else thinks. Bye.